Don Bosco Media Network Shillong Province MBC Television, presenting the dbmnTv OTT app, your single stop to stream content from Meghalaya on OTT platforms with free subscription fee. You can now easily access your favorite local news both in Khasi and English, Kakanta Ki Samla, Kasurkan Ot, and other many programs on the Android TV with the dbmnTv OTT app. Here's how it works. Just simply start by scrolling to the Apps tab on the home screen of your Android TV. Select the Google Play Store app. Next, search for dbmnTv, and once the dbmnTv app appears on your screen, click on the Install button. After the installation is done, click on Open to start the OTT dbmnTv app. Once the app appears on your TV, you can watch any content that are available on the home screen or directly take the live preview to follow our daily programs. Install the dbmnTv OTT app to get the best viewing experience on your big TV screen. Now enjoy various local programs in Khasi and English on your big TV screen.